गंजे सदा मिल जाए इस तरह। तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आते हैं। तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू ही तो ना 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 ना। Hello, 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 hello. Comments me here. कौन कौन देख रहा है प्लीज? Pentagon brief mass on the wow channel. For instance, activities will be developed. Yes. Who's in here? कौन कौन देख रहा है? I'm just trying to read newspaper. तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, किसी के हो नहीं सकता, तू है तो। Hi, rapper. How are you? Ivan Osham. Hi, Ivan. How are you? Okay. British, maybe I'm something I can speak. Yes, you can connect me here. Ivan Awesome. Not a British, like I'm from America. I am from India. I am rapper. What do you like to, if I donate you? Believe in yourself. Thank you, thank you. I believe myself, and I'm trying to connect the people here. As a native singer, I am a singer here, and thank you, Demon Avila. Where are you from? I'm rapper. Okay, rapper. You are. If you are a rapper, I would like to be go your channel, and I am also be music composer for my native language, Hindi. Because I'm composing 5 and 6. Thank you, thank you. 5 and 6 song I've composed myself and given music also be. And I can play the saxophone, and now it is very popular, the saxophone playing. That's why I'm just trying. I have saxophone, keyboard, guitar. It's just your dreams. If you want to be singer, then be singer. Okay, Demon Avila, thank you so much. Your appreciation will be implemented, and I will try my best. And I'm just learning classical Hindustani classical, like Indian classical, and would like to get more some knowledge from the Guruji, Punjabi folk Siva. Hi sir, Shiv sir, how are you? I'm in Bhopal. Yes, I'm trying to connect to all of you here because of the lots of time we can't interact. Thank you for like here, and I want to be connect the people here. Oh, da na 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 sir, thank you so much, Shiv sir. Singer Punjabi folk. Okay. How is going on your singing? I think you are better practice with your band and some like ragas, right? Because of the very important of the like it is the like concrete when you're building making building, the concrete is very necessary for the like cement and concrete is necessity. That's why the we have the if you having practice with the classical form, it will enhance our capability of the clarity, the chords and the sur. In Hindi sur, the it's like similarly you can enhance, right? Me also, but I'm also trying here. मेरे ढोलना, okay मेरे ढोलना. Nisa 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 dhani 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 bhada 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 gama bhada ni nisa 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 dhani 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 bhada 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 gama bhada ni pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa pani nisa gama badani da badani da badani da gama badani da badani da badani da gama badani da bada bama gama gare sari dani sa gama gaja gama bada badani nisa 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 dhani 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 gama badani da bama gama badani da bama gama gare sari dhani da dhani nisa saka gama ma sa saka gama ma da dhani dhani jaga dhani 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 da bama gama dhani sa dhani da gama gare madani sa dhani da bama da da ni nisa sa ga ni nisa sa ga ma ma sa ga ma ma da ma da ni nisa da ni nisa sa ga मेरी ढोलना सुन. Like I forget the now the total I focus on the saxophone practice, and now it is I'm also be having the Ramzan fast. Thank you so much, Shiv sir, and we will meet there in Hyderabad, and around 3 to 4 months within we will meet there, and let's be interact there. Purana yade will be reminds. Okay, see there, and I'm just to trying to connect here, and all the people are here coming. Thank you so much your kind comments, and thank you so much, and okay, anything else you can share me here. I will be more and more getting knowledge from all of you from here. Yes, I'm trying to talking with English. That's why I'm pursuing the enhancing my communication skill, and I'm just trying all my best, because the English is now a necessity in the restaurant, in the airport, right? They have also be asking about in English. We could not reply properly. Feel our guilty, like guilty, insulting, like guilt, feel guilty. That's why I'm just trying to enhance communication skill. That's why I'm just to the live on here. And it is nothing. If you the consistency And Delhi news, I'm also trying the Delhi newspaper reading. Very effectively, you can improve nowadays. I can connect the people, like some like officers also be support here if you want to be, because if you reading the newspaper, your current affairs will be covered day by day, and you will be update accordingly, uh, latest news. That's why I am just trying to um, enhance my communication skill here. Here is the CM foreign trips cost 18 crore. Government reveals assembly. Then lots of very valuable news and up to date will be update here. That's why. Okay, Shiv sir, go on, please. Thank you for your appreciation, and I will be like thank you so much. Ivan. Hello guys. Okay. Next, I would like to sing one thumb song, and I will close. आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, आपसे भी खूबसूरत आपके अंदाज है, आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है, लब हिले तो मोगरे के फूल खिलते हैं कभी, आपकी आँखों में क्या साहिल भी मिलते हैं कहीं, आपकी खामोशियाँ भी ये नहीं अंदाज है, आपकी आँखों में कुछ महके हुए से राज है. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. तू है तो दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू न तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो समाते, तू है तो मुस्कुराते, कि तेरे बिना सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते. ये कौन है? ये कौन है? उस
लेटर दिया था ना, वो क्या मेरे को वापस दो ना.
क्यों
मुझे चाहिए.
नहीं दूंगा?
वो क्या है ना, जब हमारी छुट्टी अब 1 तारीख को खत्म होगी ना, तो हमको देना है.
ठीक है. 6/26 we will go to the school, and PTM will be held there. Then will you submit the application form to school? Then the principal ma'am will be give the transfer certificate for Pranjali. तुझसे मेरा जीना मरना जान तेरे हाथ में. देखो ये मुंडी है, मुंडी is here, this is here. तू मुसाफिर में मुसाफिर. मिल के रब के तू समंदर गहरा है अगर नहीं लगता तू है तो चलो ओके guys, thank you for the supporting here and thanks for your valuable comments and thanks for the support. See you soon. Bye bye and take care.